Some of the key things for Neverfail in terms of improvements, we now have the opportunity to surface cross-sells and upsells in a more interesting way to customers. What we've seen that be able to do is drive the total cart size, increasing that month by month for Neverfail. And with that obviously increasing the revenue overall for the business.
What we've seen on our website is we're now delivering twice as many sales online that we were previously, same time last year. More customers are signing up online than we ever before. Our subscriptions are growing, which are helping our revenue, and we're really excited to introduce a whole lot more features that will not only drive revenue for our business but also help our customers manage their bottom line. We're really happy about where we are right now on our digital transformation journey and excited about the future opportunities that we're going to be able to build with eWave, Magento, and making sure that we deliver to our customers.